Welcome to the Random Trader video series 2022 and beyond. This is episode 11. Let's dig into what happened in the last trade, last episode, and see what we're going to enter today. Here we are in the MT4 trade terminal looking at the account history. The last trade was a CAD JPY buy, and in fact, it went into profit almost immediately, $14.69. Let's go back to the trade terminal and enter our next random Forex trade.
If you are enjoying the Random Forex Trader video series and you are beginning to see the power of creating profits in the Forex market, it's even easier to get all of my daily profitable Forex trades sent directly to your MT4 account, freeing you up from complex trade entry strategies, and you can get your share of the automated Forex profits. Check the link in the description area below or simply visit fxwithterry.com for full details. Now, back to the video.
I'm going to copy my list of 28 currency pairs plus US 30. They each have a buy and a sell tag attached to them. Let me copy this list. Let's then go over to random.org, paste that list into the box here, hit randomize, and our very next random trade is GBP CAD buy. GBP CAD buy. Let's open up the GBP CAD chart. Here's GBP CAD. Drag it to the active chart. Get rid of the market watch window. GBP CAD buy. I'm going to go ahead and hit buy immediately. We are in a trade. 0.1 lot size. Let's look at a quick analysis. Let's move up to the 4-hour and see what direction we're in. Now, this might be cool because the 4-hour direction is down and we just did a buy. So that trade is probably going to go against us. And I wanted to do that because the whole point here of this channel and of this video random trader series is to show you how to recover a trade that's gone against you. I'm going to go ahead and drag this. Let's go down to the 15-minute, and I'm going to drag this, take profit onto the chart here. And since this is a buy, I'm going to drag this up to some of the recent, let's go with a recent high looking back over here. And if I hover, we will make, if we take profit on this, $26.16. I'm just going to let it run. We'll see if the price movement moves into our take profit area or goes against us. And then I'll show you my recovery process of how to trade this trade into recovery if it goes against us. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next episode. If you would like to follow the Random Trader live and watch all of my trades in real time on your mobile device, tablet, or desktop PC, you can do so completely for free. I give you direct access to all of the account login details at fxwithterry.com/account login, and you'll find a direct link in the description below. So get access, download the app or the software, and follow the Random Trader live right on your mobile device.